Before loungewear became a global fashion category. Before comfort was marketed as a lifestyle. Before sleep became something optimized, tracked, and analyzed. Nightwear was simple, and often inconvenient. For centuries, pajamas and night garments followed a strict philosophy. Structure, formality, tradition. Many early sleep garments borrowed heavily from daytime clothing. Buttons lined the front. Drawstrings tightened the waist. Collars sometimes remained stiff. Sleeves often restricted movement. The result was clothing that served its function but rarely prioritized comfort. Sleep, however, demanded the opposite. Rest requires relaxation. Relaxation requires freedom. Freedom requires flexibility. This contradiction eventually led to one of the most quietly influential innovations in clothing history. Elastic waist pajamas. At first glance, the concept appears almost too simple to matter. A soft waistband, stretchable material, no rigid fasteners, no tight closures, nothing complex, yet simplicity often hides transformation. To understand why elastic waist pajamas became so important, we must first understand the body's behavior during sleep. Human bodies do not remain still at night. They shift positions, they stretch, they curl, they turn, they expand and contract subtly with breathing patterns. Traditional waistbands often interfere with this natural movement. Buttons press into skin, drawstrings tighten unpredictably. Stiff fabrics create discomfort during long hours of rest. Even minor irritation becomes significant when repeated across an entire night. Comfort is cumulative. Small discomforts become large problems. Elastic waistbands solved this issue elegantly. Instead of resisting movement, they adapted to it. The waistband stretches with the body. It responds to changes in posture. It maintains gentle support without restriction. The concept is deceptively powerful. The origins of elastic in clothing trace back to broader industrial developments. The discovery and refinement of elastic materials, particularly those derived from rubber-based compounds, opened entirely new possibilities in garment design. For the first time, clothing could respond dynamically to the human body. Not just fit it, adapt to it. This shift influenced countless garments, but sleepwear was especially suited to the innovation. Because sleepwear is worn for long, uninterrupted periods, comfort becomes essential rather than optional. Early versions of elastic waistbands were simple in construction. Basic woven elastic strips integrated into fabric. Over time, textile engineering improved dramatically. Manufacturers refined durability, enhanced softness, reduced skin irritation, improved breathability. Each improvement made pajamas more comfortable and more widely accepted. Psychology plays a significant role in sleepwear design. Human brains associate clothing with behavioral states. Work clothes signal productivity. Formal clothes signal social presence. Sleepwear signals rest. Elastic waist pajamas reinforce this transition. The moment they are worn, the body receives a subtle cue. Relaxation begins. Tension decreases. The mind prepares for rest. This psychological shift is just as important as physical comfort. The garment becomes part of a nightly ritual, a transition between activity and sleep. The rise of industrial garment production accelerated adoption significantly. Mass manufacturing made pajamas more accessible. Standardized sizing improved availability. Elastic waistbands reduced complexity in design and production. This simplicity made scaling easier. As a result, elastic waist pajamas became widely available across households of different economic levels. Hospitals also contributed to their spread. Medical environments require clothing that is easy to wear, remove, and adjust. Patients often experience limited mobility. Comfort becomes essential for recovery. Elastic waistbands provide non-restrictive solutions that support both medical needs and patient dignity. Over time, hospital-adapted sleepwear influenced mainstream design. What worked in healthcare environments eventually found its way into everyday wardrobes. Cultural attitudes toward comfort also evolved. Earlier generations often accepted discomfort as normal. Clothing was expected to be structured, proper, formal, even in private settings. But modern lifestyles began shifting toward comfort-centric thinking. Home became a place of relaxation rather than formality. Clothing followed this transition. Elastic waist pajamas became a symbol of this cultural change. They represented the idea that comfort is not indulgence. It is necessity. The rise of global sleep science reinforced this shift. Researchers increasingly emphasized the importance of quality sleep. Sleep affects memory, mood, immune function, productivity, long-term health. As awareness grew, people began investing more attention into sleep environments and sleepwear. Elastic waist pajamas became part of this broader ecosystem. They supported better rest by removing physical discomfort as a barrier. Fashion industries eventually transformed sleepwear into a lifestyle category. Loungewear emerged. Homewear became stylish. Comfort became marketable. Elastic waist pajamas occupied a central role in this transformation. They balanced simplicity with practicality. Function with comfort, tradition with modern design, material innovation further enhanced their appeal. Cotton remained a dominant fabric due to its breathability. Flannel offered warmth in colder climates. Modern blends introduced softness, stretch, and durability. Each material contributed differently to the experience of sleep. Designers began focusing not only on function but also emotional experience. Softness became a design goal. Lightness became a priority. The feeling of ease became central. Elastic waistbands fit perfectly into this philosophy. Because they eliminate friction points both literally and metaphorically. The modern era introduced additional changes. Remote work blurred boundaries between daywear and nightwear. People spent more time at home. Comfort clothing became everyday clothing in many contexts. Elastic waist pajamas expanded their role beyond sleep. They became symbols of relaxed living. Aesthetic minimalism also influenced design trends. Simple silhouettes, neutral tones, soft textures. Elastic waist pajamas aligned naturally with these aesthetics. Their design required no visual complexity to communicate value. Perhaps the most remarkable aspect of elastic waist pajamas is their invisibility. People rarely think about them. They do not appear in headlines. They do not symbolize status. They do not demand attention. Yet they significantly improve daily life. This kind of innovation often goes unnoticed precisely because it works so well. There is no problem left to observe. Only comfort. And beneath the fabric, beneath the elastic band, beneath the bedrooms, hospitals, homes, hotels, and countless nights of human rest. Elastic waist pajamas tell a larger story. A story about comfort, about adaptation, about humanity's gradual understanding that rest is not a luxury but a requirement. Because throughout history, progress has often been measured by productivity. But sometimes progress looks different. Sometimes it looks like removing discomfort. Sometimes it looks like making rest easier. Sometimes it looks like a simple elastic band that quietly changes how the world sleeps. The result is one of the most widely worn comfort innovations in modern clothing. Simple, practical, enduring, and quietly essential.